Hi Jeremy, Robert Jagger, Summit RV. Just wanted to send you a quick video on a fifth wheel that might fit what you're looking for. Behind me is a Grand Design Reflection, and this is a half-ton towable, so it is lighter. I know your truck can carry a lot more, but you weren't trying to max it out. So let me give you a brief overview. This also has a great sale price. Here we go. There, Grand Design. I do like them. They're really good company. They have great ideas. Just so you know, this has a hitch. It is a turning point. You can pull two bolts here in the back, and you can actually have this hitch spin around, eliminating the need for a slide hitch, fifth wheel hitch. We have storage underneath here. This is where your batteries are going to go. And it also has a compartment if you wanted to put a generator. Everything is solar prepped, so if you wanted to add solar panels on the roof, you can do so. And we'll take a look over on this side while I'm here. Here we go. We're going to have our tanks here. Have tanks on each side of this, LP tanks. And one thing that I do really like about Grand Design, they have a magnet here and one up on top, so it holds the doors open for you when you raise them up. There's all your main controls here. Outdoor shower, it's hot and cold water, large storage compartment, and you even can run all your lines down out of here so you can still lock up your fifth wheel if you're not there, if you decide to go do something. All right, so we'll go around this side. We do have a large awning. It's a power awning, and if you look up underneath here, there's a white strip across there. That's an LED strip for lights. You have outdoor marine grade speakers, so you can play your stereo out here if you'd like. You can Bluetooth your phone to it. Already has a ladder mounted. It has a walkable roof. It is also prepped for a backup camera if you wanted to add a backup camera. We have a hitch for hauling extra items, bike racks, those kind of things. Another thing on Grand Design, they have aluminum treads. It'll keep them from rusting. This does have the Arctic package. It's 4-year season protection. It's going to be extended camping in the late fall, early spring. And this is the 220 RK, which is 22-foot floor plan with the rear kitchen. Got lots of cabinet space here. Kitchen's right in the back. Cutting board on top with a single large stainless steel sink. You have a 3-burner cooktop. It's also nice. They flush mount this so you can still use it as counter space when you're not cooking. Still have the oven and a microwave above. A refrigerator here. This will run on the LP gas or electric. It prefers the electric, but it can run on the LP gas. You have more pantry storage in here. You have a large entertainment center, and it has a TV that's mounted down here. Comes up out of the cabinets when you want to watch TV. We have kind of an L-shaped couch. The first part of this couch folds out to a bed, then it turns the corner as an L shape so you can relax and watch TV. And if you look above, you have a ton of cabinets there to put things in. Table's removable. It spins around if you just wanted it out of the way. And this is a slide here. It comes up this wood trim around the kitchen area and slides out. So we go upstairs into walk-in shower with a really nice skylight, let the natural light in. You have space below for towels, linens, those type of things. Medicine cabinet, stainless steel sink, that's nice. Toilet in the corner with a towel rack and more cabinets. Turbo fan there for the bathroom. You have a sliding door for the back. This is on our queen size bed. Cabinets above. Sconce night lights on the sides, really nice. Back there in the back, you have right here, you have plug-ins, and you also have USB ports for charging electronic devices, phones, laptops, what have you. And you have storage over in the corner, drawers, and a closet too for hanging clothes. So anyway, this was just an idea. One of the main reasons that I wanted to show it to you, it's a lighter fifth wheel, and it's on sale. It's actually on sale on the website. I have it less in the camper. It's a $39,900 $98 camper on sale for $29,995. I know you were trying to be around the $30,000 mark, but that gets you pretty close. So anyway, I hope that you found this video helpful to you. And if questions, you can give me a call. My number's on the top. I have links to the bottom to our other inventory. There's several things that have come in since you visited, and there's also, you know, credit applications and those kind of things. But I definitely appreciate the opportunity, and I hope you have a great day.